Dear students, how are you? I hope you well. And also I'm going to start to teach to you today's topic in the geography subject for class 6 students, longitudes and the time. Okay, dear students. So that's a picture of your book. The best measure of the measuring the time is by the movement of the earth. Okay. So what is the best way to measure the time of so best is that the rotation of the earth. The moon and the planets. The sun regularly rise and set every day. That's the natural happening. It is the best time the keeper the throughout the world. Okay. Local time can be the recognized by the shadow caused by the sun. Okay, suppose that if your shadow is long, you can be say this is morning or evening. When your shadow is the short and in the shape of the circle, we can say this is a noon time. Which is the shortest at noon and the longest at sunrise and the sunset. When the prime meridian of the Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, at the places along the meridian will be midday or noontime. As Earth rotates from west to east, the Earth rotation, what rotation of the Earth? From west to east. From west to east. That's rotation of the earth from west to east. Okay. Those places east of the Greenwich will be ahead of the Greenwich time, and those the west will be behind it. The rate of the difference can be calculated as shadow as a follow. The earth rotates 360 in the 24 hours. 360 degree in the 4 hours. 24 hours, which means 15 degree and 1 hour. Means 15 degree 1 hour equal than 24 hour equal than 360 degree. 1 degree in the 4 minutes. 1 degree means 4 minutes. Okay. Okay. 360 degree in a 24 hours. Okay. So dear students, understand. So 1 hour equal then 1 hour means 15 degree. 1 hour means 15 degree. When it is the 12 at the Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of the Greenwich will be the 15 into 4 equal than 60 minutes, means 1 hour. A hour the ahead of the Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. Okay. But 15 degree if we going of the Greenwich to west direction, but at 15 degree west of the Greenwich, the time will be behind Greenwich time by the 1 hour. It will be the 11 a.m. Similarly, at 180 degree, it will be the midnight when it is at 12 noon at the Greenwich. At any place, a watch can be adjusted to read 12 o'clock. Okay, your watch can be read 12 o'clock. When the sun is at the highest point in the sky, when it is a midday. Okay, the time shown by such a watch will be give the local time for that place. You can see that all the places on a given meridian of longitude have the same local time. Okay, dear friends, I want to say to you that you can pause this video for a few seconds and revise once again. Okay? So in this, under this heading, I am going to explain some most important clues which I want to give to you. Okay, so that is the page for you. The local time of the places which are on the different meridians are bound to differ. For example, if it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for the trains which cross several longitudes. Okay, several longitudes. Okay, several longitudes. Okay, that's the primary time. Several longitudes. In India, for instance, for example, there will be a difference of about 1 hour 45 minutes in the local time of Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in the Assam. Okay. So suppose that if you want to go to Dilwara, Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam, it will be therefore necessary to adopt the local time of the same central meridian of the country as the standard time for the country in India. The longitude of the 82 degree half east, 82 degree 30 minute east is treated as the standard meridian. The local time at this meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time, means IST. IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. Dear students, you are looking in the picture of your book. There are three lines: 68 degree east, 82 degree half in east, and 97 degree east according to standard time of the India, and also the prime meridian time in the east. Means suppose that this is a prime meridian of time, so location of India is here. Location of the India is here. Okay, that's position of the India here. Means India is situated the east side of the prime meridian of time. Okay. So what is, suppose that if you wants to go to from Assam to 97 degree is to, and we wants to go to the Gujarat 68 degree in the east. That's standard time. Okay. So standard meridian time is 82 degree half east. Okay. According that it should be go in the direction of the 97 degree east side. So there will be the morning time, and when will we go to the Gujarat side, it will be go to the evening time. Okay. So first your sunrise in the fall, the first time in the Gujarat, that's morning time, and at evening time, sorry. 97 degree in the east, the lights fall the first time in the Arunachal Pradesh, and when your sun set, that's all last position of the sun in the Gujarat side. Okay. So start from the Assam, from the Arunachal Pradesh, and end at last in the Gujarat. Okay. That's is the exact position of that sun rays, and that's position of the meridian of time. Okay, dear students, I want to give an example. Suppose that I am Kabir, lives in a small town near Bhopal. Okay, Bhopal. Okay, that's place. He tells his friend Alok that they will not be able to sleep tonight. A day and night cricket match between India and England had started at 2 p.m. in London. 2 p.m. in London, that means in afternoon time. This means that match would begin at 7 p.m. in India. 7 p.m. in India, but in the London according that was the time 2 p.m. Okay. So in India, when was started the morning time, but in London there was a afternoon time. In India, the finish well into night, when it will be the started at 7. Sorry. Okay, let's repeat once again. Kabir lives, Sabudam Kabir lives in a small town near Bhopal. He tells his friend Alok that they will not able to sleep tonight. What is the reason here? He is going to explain. A day and night cricket match started between India and England at 2 p.m. in London. This means that the match would begin at 7:30 p.m. in India. 2 p.m. started in the London, but it will be the start in India 7:30 India and finish well into tonight. One match will be the start 7:30, maybe it will be end. Okay, okay, tonight. Do you know that what is the time, the difference between India and England? That is the meaning of. I want to show you picture here. Here is the position of India, okay, and here is the position of the England. England and India. That's position of here, okay. When you will be go to at their position, it should be the subtract. But if you will be come at here, okay, ahead of the Greek. Suppose this is the Greenwich time. If you go at here, if you will be go at here, means you will be increase the time, okay. Should be the increase in the time, okay. India located east of the Greenwich time. India is located at here. This is Greenwich time. It is located in east side. At 82 degree 30 minute east is a 5 hour 30 minute ahead of the GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. So it will be the 7:30 p.m. in India when it is started 2 p.m. moon in the London. But London time was 2 p.m. You should be the add in 2 p.m. Okay, so 2 p.m. plus 5:30 minutes. So what time will be 0, 3 and 7? Means 7:30. Okay. When in the London was 2 p.m. 2 p.m. in India, that's time after adding of after ahead of 5 hour plus 30 minutes. You will be adding this exact time will be the 7:30. Means London time was 2 p.m. and in India the time will be 7 p.m. because the time will be added here. How many minutes? 5 hour 30 minutes. Okay, 5 hour 30 minutes. You should be add in the time of the London. That will be the time of India. Okay. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent and so they have adopted more than one standard time. For example, in Russia, there are many as 11 standard times. That's very important line. Can be remark this and note down in a copy. Russia has the standard time may be 11. Earth has been divided into 24 time zones. How many time zone India divided? Means how many? The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of the 1 hour each. Okay. Each zone thus covers 15 degree of the longitude. Okay. So 24 time zones means 1 hour for 24 hour, or each zones thus cover the 15 degree. Okay. So 1 hour means 15 degree. 1 hour means 15 degree means 24 hour means 360 degrees. Okay, that's your earth has been divided through the longitude of time. Okay, so dear students, that was enough. Maybe this chapter has been closed now. If you have the problem, you can share us. I will try to remove your problems. Okay, I will send to you the question answer slide. Should be the note down in your copy and send your pic. Have a nice day.